Hi there, this is me, Abdul Alim, and today in this video I'm gonna talk about how we can delete a subdomain in Hostinger. So let's see. First of all, we have to go the Hostinger dashboard. So it's redirecting. It's need to few seconds to redirect. And look at that. This is the Hostinger dashboard that I have logged in. So if I'm gonna delete any of subdomain, we have to go the website and go to the website list and look at that. Here is lots of subdomain that I have created and few main domain. So I want to delete this subdomain that I have created in the previous video. So if I'm gonna click delete this subdomain, so first of all we have to click this 4 dot menu. If I'm gonna click on this menu, then look at that. Here is an option delete. Okay, if I'm gonna click on delete option, then I understand terms and conditions and delete button, and it's deleting. It's done, and look at that website being deleted. If I'm gonna refresh this page and let's see what happened actually. And it's in few seconds, and look at that. Here is our subdomain has been deleted. So that's the thing actually. Thank you so much.